warning on this.
Roots,
Oh my
Brandon,
goodness.
Saint, Leo, Weeki-Wachee, Hillsborough River State Park, Greater Sunday Center,
I was in my room
Zephyr
watching
Hills South,
YouTube.
Palm River, Claremont, Tampa International
And then
Airport,
I
East
thought
Lake,
I wanted to
Orion
go
Park,
through the window.
Zephyr Hills West, and Lando Lakes. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties
Here's
in Florida:
317.
Hillsborough, Pasco, and Polk.
Poke. Oh my goodness. Another warning. Maybe. Up. There it goes.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for central Pasco County in west central Florida until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.
There's a school
At
bus.
3:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located 7 miles east of Jasmine Estates, or 9 miles east of Newport Richey, moving northeast at 50 miles an hour. Hazard: tornado. Source: radar indicated rotation. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely.
I'm happy,
This
scared,
tornadic
and
thunderstorm
terrified.
will
And
remain over mainly
at the
rural
same
areas
time,
of central
this is
Pasco
the first
County,
alert
including the
that
following
this has ever
locations:
issued.
Darby, J.B.
The
Stark,
actual real
Wilderness
one.
Park, Moon
This is the
Lake,
first time
Towers
it's ever gone
Corner,
off without me
Odessa,
touching it at
San
all.
Antonio, and Shady Hills. Take cover now.
The last alert that was
Move to an
issued was 2
interior
days
room on
ago
the
because
lowest
they
floor of
required
a
me to
sturdy
test.
building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter
I'm
and
in
protect
outdoors
yourself
right
from
now.
flying debris.
Help me.
A tornado warning
Help
has been
me.
issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties: Pasco, Florida.
Phew. No poke. No poke count. Okay.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued a tornado warning for north central Pinellas County in west central Florida, northwestern Hillsborough County in west central Florida, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado is located near Citrus Park, over 10 miles northeast of Clearwater, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour.
Ever.
Hazard:
I'm staying
tornado.
out here. No matter
Source:
what.
radar indicated
No matter
rotation.
what. If a
Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without